Hi guys, this is Satya here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make dhokla. Into a mixer jar, add in 3 green chilies, half an inch ginger and grind coarsely. Into a bowl, take 1 cup of besan or chickpea flour and sieve it. Next, add in 1/4 cup of suji or white rava, 1½ teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt and mix it well. Next, add in 2 teaspoons of lime juice, ginger chili paste, 3 tablespoons of coconut oil and 1 cup of water. Combine everything well. Make sure there are no lumps. Cover and keep aside for 20 minutes. Add in 1 packet of Eno fruit salt and give it a quick mix. I have already greased a pan with coconut oil. Now pour the batter into it. Into a kadai, add in 1½ cups of water and place a stand into it. Then place the pan with batter into the kadai, cover and steam for 20 minutes. Into a kadai, add in 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, some chopped curry leaves, 2 green chilies and saute it. Spread the mix on dhokla and garnish with shredded coconut.